The 2027 Mazda CX-70 is doing something that no other midsize SUV at this price point can match. And once you see the full picture, you'll understand why the competition has every reason to be concerned. If you've been shopping in the midsize SUV segment and keep walking away feeling like every option is just a slightly different version of the same underwhelming package, the CX-70 is built to solve exactly that problem. Most buyers assume that a genuinely engaging driving experience, near luxury interior quality, and a capable 3 powertrain lineup are only available when you're spending luxury brand money, but the CX-70 is delivering all three, starting well under $50,000. Robust engine power. 3 powertrain options are available, and each one brings something distinct to the table. The base configuration pairs a 3.3-liter turbocharged inline-6 with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, producing 280 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, all delivered through an 8-speed automatic transmission with standard all-wheel drive. Here's where that torque figure matters. One of the most frustrating things about many midsize SUVs is how they hesitate when you actually need power, merging onto a busy highway with a full vehicle, pulling away from a stop with passengers and cargo on board, or needing a confident burst of speed for a pass. That torque arrives at just 2,000 revolutions per minute on the CX-70, which means it's there before you even ask for it, not something you have to rev toward. The Turbo S variant pushes the same inline-6 to 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, with 0 to 60 dispatched in 6.2 seconds during independent testing. Real-world highway fuel economy came in at 29 miles per gallon for the Turbo S, a strong result given the output on offer. Maximum towing capacity reaches 5,000 pounds on properly equipped trims. The third option, the plug-in hybrid, uses a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder paired with electric motors, producing 323 combined horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. All-electric range runs approximately 30 to 32 miles, with an efficiency rating of 61 miles per gallon equivalent. Buyers who charge at home regularly are going to see fuel costs drop significantly, and the 0 to 60 time of approximately 6 seconds means nothing is sacrificed in the process. 3 powertrains that can genuinely compete with anything in the segment. But raw power in a mid-size SUV means very little if the chassis underneath can't translate it into a rewarding experience. And that's exactly where things get really interesting. Driving experience class leading. Most midsize SUVs are engineered to be inoffensive. The suspension absorbs everything, the steering asks nothing of the driver, and the experience, while comfortable, gives you very little reason to feel engaged with what you're doing. Mazda has always pushed back against that approach, and the CX-70 is where that philosophy is most clearly expressed in the SUV lineup. The suspension architecture, control arms at the front, multi-link at the rear, is calibrated with a clear sporting intent. Body roll through corners is well controlled, noticeably so compared to most rivals in the class. Steering weight and feedback are a particular strength, delivering a connected sense of what front wheels are doing, something genuinely uncommon in a vehicle of this footprint. Consider what that actually means on the road. Most buyers in this segment have driven SUVs that feel like they're floating through corners, with a steering wheel that communicates almost nothing. Getting that vehicle pointed correctly through a fast on-ramp, or making a confident lane change at highway speed, requires more guesswork than it should. That's the problem the CX-70's chassis directly solves. The steering gives you real information, the suspension keeps the body composed, and the whole experience feels far more deliberate than the size of the vehicle suggests. On a 300-foot skid pad, lateral grip measured 0.86 G, which reflects a chassis tuned for real-world engagement, not just straight-line comfort. Adaptive cruise control is standard, and independent evaluators have noted it as more responsive and consistent than comparable systems in competing vehicles. The trade-off is a ride that runs firmer than some rivals, particularly on broken or uneven pavement. The CX-70 is one of the most engaging mid-size SUVs available right now, but sharp handling and a well-sorted chassis can only carry a vehicle so far if the cabin doesn't hold up its end of the deal, so let's get inside. Interior design premium. Mazda's interior philosophy has been consistent across the lineup for years. Clean surfaces, deliberate material choices, and a layout that places the driver at the center without making the cabin feel cluttered. The CX-70 carries that approach forward, and at this price point, the execution is genuinely impressive. Materials throughout are soft, well-fitted, and carefully chosen. The Kodo design language keeps visual noise to a minimum. No oversized screens competing for attention, no decorative elements that serve no purpose. It reads as premium without announcing itself itself loudly, which is exactly the right approach for a vehicle positioned where this one is. Higher trim levels add quilted Napa leather upholstery, additional ambient illumination, a power tilt steering wheel. There's a specific frustration that a lot of mid-size SUV buyers encounter with infotainment. Large touchscreens mounted at arm's length sound impressive in a brochure, but in practice they require you to take your eyes off the road and reach for a glassy surface every time you want to change something. Mazda's answer is a 12.3-inch infotainment display operated through a center-mounted rotary knob, weighted, precise, and reachable without shifting your attention forward. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a head-up display are available on higher trims, and premium configurations and above come with the 12-speaker Bose audio system. Tri-zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, and a heated steering wheel are also part of the standard package, features that typically arrive as paid additions at competing brands. Passenger dimensions are well proportioned where it counts. Front headroom reaches 39.6 inches with 41.7 inches of legroom. The second row delivers 38.4 inches of headroom and 39.4 inches of legroom, comfortable for adults on longer journeys. Total cargo volume with the rear seats folded reaches 75 cubic feet, and an underfloor storage compartment adds everyday practicality that three-row vehicles simply cannot match. An interior that genuinely rivals dedicated luxury products. But before you start configuring trims, there's one more category that no family SUV buyer can afford to skip, and the CX-70 has some notable numbers to back it up. Safety. The CX-70 arrives with strong independent safety credentials. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration awarded it a 5-star overall safety rating, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety designated it a safety pick. Standard across every trim is Mazda's iActive Sense driver assistance suite, covering the systems buyers now expect as a baseline: automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. These perform consistently in real-world use. The adaptive cruise in particular has been noted for its predictive, smooth behavior relative to competing systems. Parking a large SUV in tight urban spaces is one of those tasks that shouldn't cause stress, but for a lot of drivers, it genuinely does. The available 360-degree exterior camera system addresses that directly, giving a complete overhead view of the vehicle's surroundings at low speed. Combined with left-turn brake support, head-on traffic avoidance assist, and vehicle exit warning, the full available safety suite covers both everyday situations and the higher-stakes scenarios that matter most. These features are accessible through upper trim configurations and complete what is, taken as a whole, a safety package that holds up against anything in the segment. Release date and price. The 2027 Mazda CX-70 is arriving later this year, and pricing is going to reflect only minor adjustments from the prior model year, which is welcome news for buyers who've been watching this one closely. The lineup is expected to start at approximately $44,000 for the base Turbo Preferred trim and reach around $59,000 for the fully loaded Turbo S Premium Plus. The plug-in hybrid is entering the picture at approximately $46,000, making it an accessible starting point for buyers targeting that powertrain's combination of performance and efficiency. Given what the CX-70 delivers across every category, cabin quality, chassis dynamics, powertrain breadth, and safety credentials, that pricing represents strong value in the mid-size segment. Warranty coverage runs 3 years or 36,000 miles for the basic plan, with a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Mazda does not include complimentary scheduled maintenance, which is worth factoring in when comparing total ownership costs against rivals that do offer it. 3 capable powertrains, a chassis that outhandles virtually everything in the segment, a cabin that trades comfortably with dedicated luxury products, and a safety package that earned a 5-star NHTSA rating and an IIHS safety pick. The 2027 Mazda CX-70 is putting all of that together in a single package, arriving later this year, starting at approximately $44,000. That combination is difficult to find anywhere in the mid-size SUV class, let alone at this price point. Whether the turbocharged inline-6 suits your priorities, or the plug-in hybrid's 30-plus miles of electric range makes more sense for your daily routine. The CX-70 is offering real flexibility without forcing you to compromise on the things that matter most: performance, quality, and value. The competition has had time to respond, and so far, nothing at this price quite matches what Mazda has built here. But the CX-70 isn't the only SUV that completely closed the gap between mainstream and premium segments. If you're looking for something as luxurious, but with the added practicality of the third row, then you definitely want to check out our video about the 2027 Kia Telluride. It's coming completely redesigned, even more luxurious than before, and with a couple of brand new powertrains.